Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use split view on your MacBook, which is a super helpful feature for multitasking and working faster. So let's begin. First, open any two apps that you want to use side by side. For example, I'm opening the App Store and Google Notes, but you can choose any apps you like. Now go to the top left corner of the first app window. You'll notice three colored buttons there. A red button, a yellow button, and a green button. Instead of clicking the green button, hover your mouse over it and wait for a second. A small menu with three options will appear. From these options, tap on either of the last two choices that say Tile Window to Left or Tile Window to Right. As soon as you tap the option, your screen will automatically split. One side will show the app you selected, and the other side will display the rest of your open apps. Now simply click on the second app you want to use, and both apps will appear together in split view. Once you're in split view, you can even adjust the size of both windows. Just place your cursor on the black divider bar in the middle and drag it left or right to resize the apps the way you prefer. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips.